Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again. So we are working on a 12 so it's 12 by 24-inch canvas. I have flooded my canvas with titanium buff light by Amsterdam. I'm going to torch out the air bubbles, and this we do to prevent pinholes from developing once your painting dries. Okay, so today's colors we're using Permanent Mater Lake by Amsterdam. I'm trying to decide what I want to do here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the L right here and right here. Next color we're using Quinacridone Rose by Amsterdam. Oh, I love how those colors look. I should have kept it like in the realm of pinks. What do you think, guys? Next color I have Sky Blue by Creative Inspirations. Okay. Next I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. And very light-handed. Okay. And last, I'm nervous about this color, but I'm going to do it. Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. I love this color. For some reason, I am in love with that color lately. Okay. And I love how the color palette looks contrasting the base. Love it. Move those out of the way. We're going to go ahead and torch the air bubbles once again. Okay, and I'm going to begin at the top. Boy, I am so excited for this color palette. It is absolutely beautiful. What a gorgeous combination here. Let's go ahead and continue. Gorgeous is this? Love this color palette. I'm just bringing it in here to create some negative space because right here is just too close. And that's it. There. Wow, guys. Wait until I show you this. This is perfection. Love it. I can't wait for this one to dry and you get to see it. Wow, what a beautiful color palette this is. Love it. Okay. Alrighty, guys, come on down. Let me show you. Okay, everyone, so here she is. And she is a beauty. Let me go in and show you. There is so much going on in this one. I'm sorry about that glare. But check out how gorgeous those cell reactions are. Look at this petal. Look how that Chartreuse green is such a beauty, if that is how you pronounce it. Look at those cells. Love it. Look at this. Check that out. That is so beautiful. And we are fanning out into the next petal. Take a look at her. She came to show off today. How gorgeous is this? Love the motion. Look at this corner. Wow, what an explosion. I didn't think it was going to turn out this good looking. Tell me what you think. Look at this. Look at these clusters. I love it. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I love how it met up in this top corner here. And then it has breathing room down here. Has a lot going on there. But I love it. I love it. I love how this one turned out. Look at that. See, now you get a better picture. That is gorgeous. She is Gorgina for sure. Look at the true colors. Tell me what you think about this starburst. I love it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.